Top of the morning to you folks. It's hump day over here at the Waffle House in Chalmette. This is the Anne Marie II here. Big Ronnie's new boat. Got it in the light now, you can see it a little better.
There you go.
Oh, that's pretty. Mm-hmm. All right, folks, we're on our way here. Hey, Ron got another one, folks. Yeah, croaker on a jerkbait, folks. Let me see that one. Croaker on a jerkbait. Huh. Looks like you just go along the rocks, folks. And they fishing along the rocks. Drifting along the rocks and fishing. Drifting over some oyster reefs, nothing. Can't find no birds nowhere. Nothing's diving around. We found some birds diving.
Little lyrebird.
Think so?
Little lyrebird. I don't know, they're still diving over there.
Yeah, good. Make a cast. Hey, Ronnie's got him another one, folks. Gotta be a gaff top, huh? Birds diving all over the place, folks. Even the pelican getting in the action. You got the porpoise up in here, right there. About 3 or 4 of them up in here, feeding with the birds. Must be a bunch of low trout up in here. There he is, right there. Another one right there. They're circling the boat, folks. Waiting for us to throw a low trout back. You throw one back, it's theirs. There he is. Oh, there he is. Is that porpoise?
Dolphins.
Dolphins. Okay, dolphins. Bottlenose dolphins, all right. They're all around the boat, just waiting.
I want it more. Get that on video? Did you get that on video?
Uh-huh.
Huh?
Oh, I think I did.
You wanted it more.
I really like those Claris rods. They don't make them anymore. A six foot Claris. So I switched over to St. Croix. Yeah, St. Croix, yeah. Alright folks, we're made it to the backside of the dam over here out of Hopedale. I think this is going to be our last stop. Go head on in. It's starting to cloud up pretty good. And I know they got that storm coming from Houston way. Just don't know when it's going to get here. That was a hell of a line of storm coming this way. But that's the dam over there, folks, all along there. Okay, we got Gorman. Touch screen, nice. Right, back at the slip, look at they got maybe 20 boats launched. There's a wildlife and fishery right there. He's checking people coming in, see what they caught and everything. We're over here at Hopedale Marina. Oh, sea tow signs, sea tows everywhere, folks. We made one big loop. We went out that way, and we came back from this way. Went all the way around to the backside of the dam, went through Boogie's Pass, whatever it is, came back up by Lutry, and right here. The one fish we had, we gave away. This is my annual once a year trip to Hopedale. I won't be back. Just not my cup of tea. Y'all don't know, this is Hopedale Marina right here, folks. Got a restaurant here. I think it's only open on Saturdays. You can see, I said 20 boats, maybe 10. Maybe 10. Folks, they got all the fishing gear you want. You name it, they got it. Old Johnson, my brother had one of them. All kind of stuff. Just pick what you want. Highlight of the day, folks. Highlight of the day, I got to meet Jack. Oh, Jack. How you doing, baby? Boy, huh? Why? How old is he?
About 8.
8?
Yeah, about 8.
Really?
7 or 8.
Yeah, mine lasted 13 years, man.
Yeah.
I see he's got the same little sores she had, too.
Aww.
Huh. Hi, Jack. This is new boat, baby. A tracker. A tracker. The north side of the lake's a little more choppy. That southeast wind is eating it up, blowing straight into it. There's one boat there. I've seen one other boat. There's 2 boats I've seen along the trestle. It was kind of choppy out there. Check the wind before I come out here tomorrow. If I don't come here, I think I'm going to head to Vibe Avenue. Although there was no boats, I didn't see any boats that walk on that Vibe Avenue. There ain't no boats here. Usually they're all along here. Not a good sign, folks. Just come on the way back from fishing and talking about fishing and thinking about fishing. And going fishing again tomorrow. Oneofthepack and family on vacation. They went to Jamaica. So I'm a bachelor for 10 days. Gonna live it up.